So, oops, that wire missed, but he wraps it with wire, keep it all together.
How cool is this?
So this looks like, I'm gonna guess, newspaper.
It looks like a lot of newspaper.
And our newspaper and magazines actually get baled together, which we used to bale them separately, and then we realized that once they made it to the mill, they were mixing in the magazines with the newspaper because the kaolin clay coating that's on the magazines that makes them glossy, I guess is used in the cleaning of the inks from the newspaper.
Oh, wow. So you just put it all together.
So we put them together.
Makes it simpler.
Totally.